This week, Dropcopter, who are a business being helped by Genius New York. Genius NY is an in-residence business accelerator program at the Tech Garden in central New York that, according to the website, goes beyond substantial direct investment. In addition to 3 grand prizes of up to $1 million, the program also offers incubator space, company stipends, advisors, resources, programming and connections, making it amongst the largest competitions of its kind across the globe. What have Dropcopter done? Well, in partnership with Beak Skiff Apple Orchard, they have showcased the first ever autonomous pollination of apples in America. Dropcopter, which uses a drone to pollinate tree crops, successfully demonstrated its Worker-Bee pollinator at the 800-acre orchard, which is home to more than 350,000 trees in Lafayette, New York. They say that the potential to have drones supplement the pollination performed by bees offers the ability to distribute precise amounts of pollen 5 to 10 feet above tree canopy and provide backup support to Mother Nature. All I can think of, dear viewer, is that Black Mirror episode. Anyway, like, subscribe, do whatever else you need to do on the Tube of the U, and don't forget to join us every Tuesday at 2100 GMT for drone stuff this week. Cheers for now.